In question 1.30, we are asked to express each of the following units in terms of the fundamental SI units. So the fundamental SI units that in which we are expected to represent the given options are meter, kg or kilogram, and s per second. So the first one is Newton, and the second one is Joule. So Newton is the unit of force. Force can be expressed in newtons, and 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg times 1 meter per second squared, where you can think of force, which is the product of mass times acceleration, and the force is a unit of 1 Newton, and the mass has a unit of 1 kilogram in SI units, and acceleration is a unit of 1 meter per, sorry, this is second squared. So 1 Newton can be expressed as, or maybe I'm just gonna call it Newton, it's understood it's 1 Newton, kg meter per second squared. Okay, now Joule. Joule is the unit of energy, right? It's the unit of energy. Now, energy is nothing but force times a certain displacement. If you look at the absolute value of energy, it's force times a displacement, right? So the force has a unit of Newton, and the displacement has an SI unit of 1 meter. So we can say 1 joule equals 1 Newton times meter. So we can plug in for Newton what we obtained here, which is kg meter per second square times meter. So 1 joule can be written as kg meter squared per second squared.